The first of 4-day civilian drills just kicked off across Taiwan and the capital Taipei. These drills, the Wan-An drills, are aimed at protecting citizens in the event of an enemy invasion. Air sirens blared for 30 minutes, meaning civilians had to seek shelter and cars had to pull off roads. While trains continued to run, people could not leave the station. The same exercise will be conducted across the country over the next few days. Those who violate the protocols will face a fine of up to 1,000 to 5,000 US dollars. Last year, the restrictions weren't as strict because of COVID-19. That's because the government didn't want people to congregate in one area and risk exposure. But this year, the restrictions are back in place and it's back to normal. Ricky, Pichi Zhuang, Bing Wang, in Taipei for TaiwanPlus.